Hi, I'm Jamie Fenroley. I'm the team manager of the Dyffryn Children's Community Team in Neath, Talbot, County Borough Council. We work hard every day to help and support families in our local communities that need it most. Working in children's services can be challenging, but I firmly believe that it's the most rewarding career that there is, and working in Neath Talbot County Borough Council's Children's Department, in my opinion, allows for personal job satisfaction that far exceeds other similar departments, and I say that on the basis of the conjunctive way in which we seek to work alongside children and families and implement risk mitigation and support plans in order to keep families together. Neath Talbot County Borough Council promote all of their staff having a sound work-life balance, and there's a multitude of different ways in which that can be achieved. To give myself as an example, I work full-time hours compressed over a 4-day working week. That allows me to spend 1 day per week with my 2 young children, and also saves me some money on childcare fees. There are other policies and procedures which assist in achieving a work-life balance, for example, flexible working policy, and similar other policies that can be utilised as they fit each individual's personal circumstances. And the local authority also promotes a hybrid working arrangement, which means that there is discretion essentially to work at home when you want to and when that suits best, but equally to utilise the offices and the office space where that is more appropriate. I would encourage anybody that's thinking of applying for a role in Neath Talbot County Borough Council to do so. It's a brilliant place to work, and the people that I work with are what makes my job rewarding every single day, and so I would absolutely recommend applying for a job in this local authority.